So I'm going to create a Shopify dropshipping store in 1 week, no money and no following. I'm going to see if I can take this store to £0 to £1,000. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Dad Makes Dough. In today's video, I'm going to create a Shopify dropshipping store in 1 week with no money, no ad and no following whatsoever. And I'm going to see if I can take this store to make any profit, and if I can go from £0 to £1,000. And what I'm going to do a little bit differently is I'm going to take you through the whole process. So I'm documenting it today. This is the first day that I'm going to find my product, make my site and start getting some ads rolling. So what we're going to use to start marketing our store, we're going to use free traffic, and this is going to be from brand new accounts. So when I say brand new accounts, I'm going to create my product, create my brand, if you will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Instagram Reels, I'm going to use TikTok, YouTube Short, because these are such lucrative platforms to start gaining traffic and gaining traffic fast. If you've got a decent watchable video, you're going to be able to skyrocket and blow up, and sometimes, hopefully, we can see if we actually go viral. So that's the goal. We're going to try and go viral and try and make £1 million. So first things first, we're going to want to find our first products. Now there's many different ways you can do this. A lot of people use tools that you can spy on ads and you can see what other people are drop shipping. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go onto my phone, I'm going to go onto TikTok and I'm going to search TikTok made me buy it, and I'm just going to scroll and scroll and scroll. What I need to do is I need to find something that's got a wow factor, it makes you stop scrolling, or it solves a problem. It needs to be something that someone is gonna want. Right, so after countless hours and days and years, I finally found something that I thought were pretty cool. To me, it had the wow factor. If I seen this, I'd buy it, probably. But anyway, I found this flying, hovering, like ball boomerang sort of thing. It's like got a motor in it, and I'll put a video on screen now. This is what it is. And right, so now I've found my product, I need to go to Shopify and sign up and create a free account. So with Shopify you get a 14-day free trial, so I don't have to put any money up front. So you just have to sign up, pick a plan, and we can start building this store. Now, a lot of people are going to say, I don't know how to build a store, I don't know how to do this. It's so straightforward. There's many tutorials on YouTube. There's so many. You can go onto YouTube and have a look. You can just Google stuff if you're confused, but it's pretty straightforward to make a basic Shopify store. And this particular store only has one product. So once you've signed up, you've picked a name, you've got a logo. You don't really need a logo, but you can go over to Canva, make a quick little logo. Now, what you want to do is you want to add a couple of must-have dropshipping apps. So the particular apps that I use, I've got Deezers, D-S-E-R-S, which is like it's an app that imports products from the AliExpress link and imports it into your store with the variants, whether it's different colours, different sizes, so on and so forth. And also you're going to want social proof. So I use a little plugin to import reviews from AliExpress of this actual product, and a lot of these reviews have videos, pictures of your product, and this is called A-reviews. So what you want to do, install these apps on your store. These also come with free plans and free trials to start with, so I'm still spending no money whatsoever. Now it's time to build my store. So I'm going to spend roughly about 40 minutes to an hour just making a basic store, make it look a little bit professional, get a little bit of social proof on there. So yeah, enjoy the nice time lapse of me sitting there on a night creating a store. This is filmed after I already created the store. But yeah, enjoy this little time lapse. Right, so I've gone with something called a glide orb. Don't know why, it's an orb. I wanted to go for like UFO face sort of thing, like a UFO, and I come up with glide orb. So that's gonna be like my brand name. And this is what the sites look like. So I've made a pretty basic site. I've got some GIFs. GIFs are always great of your product actually being used. So I pretty much went and had a look, copied and pasted some information, did a little bit of write-up of my own to make it look more branded, to make it look more professional. And in the description added like some GIFs of it being used, variants of colour, change, you know, this is how it looks essentially. It's quite clean, quite straightforward. You know, we've got glide orb, shop now, meet the glide orb, orb that spins, climbs, floats, the orb that spins, climbs, floats before safely automatically returning to your hand. So it's essentially like a boomerang. So I've got it at $24.99. So you've got options: blue, red, purple, add it to cart. You can even add a couple of upsells on there. So if you want to buy two, you can get one half price, so on and so forth. This isn't like the last final draft of the store. This is just showing you now. I am going to tweak it a little bit, tiny little tweak. But this is just a quick run through of what it looks like. And then this is what it'll look like on the actual store page. So we've got the glide orb. I've also made a cool little email address, just like a glide orb. It's going to still need a domain, which I'm not actually paying for because it's not part of the challenge, but we'll give it a try anyway. So for this, make a little Gmail. Yeah, we've added some nice gifts on there, some great product photos, all from AliExpress. Lights up in the dark, trick guide, boomerang, safety first, durability, all that sort of stuff. Now we've got the store ready, we've got the product, we've imported the product. We're going to need to start marketing it because people aren't going to come and buy it if they don't know what it is and if they can't see it. And I'm going to do this without spending zero money on ads. I'm doing this completely free because I am broke. And this is just organic free traffic. So we've got YouTube Shorts, we've got Instagram Reels, we've got TikTok. Hopefully, if I start posting once a day or a couple of times a day of this product, maybe we'll go viral. Maybe I'm going to start driving a Lamborghini tomorrow because of this. Right, so that's the first video of this challenge. It's a week challenge of me literally trying to take this store with zero money, zero ad spend, nothing whatsoever, free organic traffic, and I'm going to see if I can make money dropshipping. So if you are new around here, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to turn post notifications on because this next video is going to be out in a week to see how much money I've actually made from this Shopify store and if I've made any whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.